Hello, welcome to the lesson on Introduction to MicroPython, bringing Python to microcontrollers. So what is MicroPython? MicroPython is a software implementation of the Python 3 programming language optimized for microcontrollers and embedded systems. MicroPython is like a special edition of Python made for tiny computers called microcontrollers. These little computers are the brains behind the small gadgets and sensors running MicroPython efficiently and smoothly. MicroPython speaks the same language as Python 3. So if you know Python, you are all set. It brings the power of Python into the hardware projects, making it super easy for anyone to dive into creating cool hardware stuff with the technology. So you can create robots, you can create IoT devices, you can create any device using this MicroPython programming language. Why MicroPython? MicroPython has different advantages. It is easy to learn and use because you already know Python, so it is easy for you, right? And those who are beginners also, they can easily learn Python. It is interactive REPL for rapid prototyping and debugging. It provides small memory footprint suitable for resource constrained devices like microcontrollers. Hardware support, you can program GPIOs, you can program I2C, you can program SPI, ADC, PWM. It supports many things. Even it supports Wi-Fi connectivity, right, all of you. MicroPython has a great community support, growing community of developers and enthusiasts, and also it has libraries available and modules for hardware interaction, and it actually helps us to program different types of hardware boards and kits. So already there are specific boards and kits for MicroPython development, right, all of you. In our course we are going to use ESP32, right? So what are the applications of MicroPython? MicroPython can be used for writing programs in IoT devices, robotics, home automation, wearables, education, and many more. So to get started with MicroPython, there are two important requirements. One is hardware requirements, another one is software setup. In the hardware requirements, we need a microcontroller board, ESP32, and also USB cable for connecting the board to the computer or laptop. Then software setup, we have to download Python IDE, and we have to download and install MicroPython firmware for ESP32 board, right, all of you. We have to do this as well, right? So what is the next? Next we are going to install Python IDE.